2024 Model 3 for installation. They do not come with instructions. Has 3 different type of brackets. The one with the 3 lines, the ones with no lines, and the ones that are currently putting in here like this. The ones with the 3 lines, I installed it in the front by the, let's see if it can be seen, by the sun visor. One by the sun visor, another one in here, and the one in the rear. For the back, since it has a bigger opening, I am using these ones. They're the only ones that will hold. So this is the one that I'm using for the back right here by the mirror pillar right here with the lights. And it's super easy to put in there. I clean the glass before putting. Just twist it, and that's it. And all you have to do is install them on the top. But this is how they look. They're pretty, get a little saggy, but I think that's just the separation between here and the glass. Let's see how the back turns out. I will take some pictures as well.